breaking updates now coming in. It's an update from Assam, where Himanta Biswa Sarma has taken to Twitter to say that the Assam Assembly has prioritized productivity and shed another vestige of colonial baggage. This practice was introduced by Muslim League's Syed Sadullah in 1937, and he has gone on to respond on the same. Let's go across to my colleague Anamika, who's joining us on the broadcast. Anamika, big announcement being made by the Assam government. Take us through the details.
Yes, well, the first assembly session, today's assembly session, or the first hours, even when this topic has been raised in the assembly, but Piyush Hajarika, the minister, has said we will not discuss about this particular this particular step on this session. We will be discussing on the next session. Again, I will say again, CM Himanta Biswa Sarma has tweeted that this assembly session has prioritized this productivity and shed another vestige of colonial baggages, and this practice was introduced by Muslim League Syed Sadullah in 1937, and he have mentioned his gratitude to the Honorable Speaker Bishwajit Daimari, and he
Okay, all right. We'll go back to Anamika for that update. But this is the big announcement that has come in from the Assam Chief Minister. In fact, it was the decision was made in the assembly, after which the Chief Minister has now said that this is the shedding of colonial baggage. That's the announcement that has come in from the Chief Minister. So this is the new law that has come in, and the reaction coming in from the Chief Minister on that. So the Assam Assembly has abolished the British-era rule of a namaz break on Fridays, and this is likely to snowball into a bigger political controversy as well. The decision has been taken on the concluding day of the ongoing autumn session of the Assam Legislative Assembly, tradition that has been going on since the British era. My colleague Meenakshi is joining us on the broadcast with the reactions that are coming in.
Well, yes, Pratibha, first of all, let's take our viewers through the biggest reaction. This is Himanta Biswa Sarma himself. What exactly has it said? This statement by Himanta Biswa Sarma, which has led to a massive political slugfest. I'm going to read this verbatim. Now, he says, by doing away with the 2-hour Jummah break, Assam Assembly has prioritized productivity. So, not only does he inform the people about his decision, but he says the reasons as to why the Assam government has done the same. He says, number one, it's our bid to prioritize productivity. Number two, shedding vestige of colonial baggage. He says the practice was introduced in Muslim League Syed Sadullah in 1937, and then goes on to express his gratitude to the Speaker and the legislators for what he calls a historic decision. So this is the entire decision, sum and summation, and the logic behind why the Assam government took this decision in the Assam Chief Minister's words. Pratibha.